How's it going, guys? Right here bringing you a quick update. This is an update that I didn't really want to make, actually, because I have some bad news. For those who haven't seen my community post, I recently got hurt roller skating the other day. I was trying those sketchy looking roller skate shoes that was on TikTok. And sure enough, me not having roller skated in some time, yeah, I broke my wrist in 2 spots. So, figured I wanted to make this video because I really don't know, as far as motorcycle content goes, which I know most of you guys are here for. I don't know when I'll be able to be doing that. As far as like riding goes, I don't want to stop the channel entirely, because I know once I start getting into the healing process, I want to start doing a few more things that I can do, at least, but it might be a little while, so I just figured I'd let y'all know. It might be some time before we have some regular content again. If you want to keep up with what I've been up to, I'm planning on actually going back to streaming here pretty soon. For those that don't know, I think I've mentioned this in several videos, so this might be the last time on this channel. I used to do VTuber stuff before I did the motorcycle channel. This is more or less like my second thing I was doing during the summertime, because it was really hot, but I fell in love with it. This could kind of be my behind the scenes channel. Who knows? I don't know. But I'm going to be going back to streaming here pretty soon. I'm working on a big re-debut type thing for my character and whatnot. So if you want to keep up with me, go to my Twitter, and then also to my Twitch. Those are going to be both in the description. They've always been in the description. But yeah, I'm probably going to be doing that more often. I also have a main channel. This is the second channel to a main channel I usually do, where it's mostly video game content. So yeah, that's about it for now. Hopefully we can get through this healing process very soon. I'm waiting to hear if I'm going to have surgery or not, because I don't know if it's that bad or not. I broke it in 2 spots. So, but yeah, I will keep you guys updated, and I hope you guys have an amazing week. Take it easy, everybody.